dapatin mo kami bilang magulang, mga ninong at ninang ay manatiling matapat sa iyong pinangako sa binyag. Iniluluhog namin ito sa pamagitan ng Kristo kasama sa Espiritu Santo magpa sa walang hanggan. Sumainyo ang Panginoon. Pagpalain kayo makapangyarihan Diyos Ama, Anak at Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Into your eyes, I get lost in this moment. I never wanna leave. Like a story.
Natin sinasimulan, ihanda natin itong batang ito sa pagtanggap ng mga sakramentong banal. Umayo kayo, taglay ang pag-ibig at kapayapaan ni Kristo. Amen. Ngayon, pwede natin patayin ang ilaw ng kandila at pasalubungan masigabong palakpak ang bagong binyag. Congratulations! Kristiyano na si baby.
Here and now is where it all begins. Oh, there's a million stars up overhead. Still I would find you right here all over again. Under the sunlit sky. Oh, I know it's true. I'll always be falling for you.
Welcome to Asher Wright first birthday!
Lead the way and let's get it started. Seize the day and reach for the sky. Carry on.
Ang message ko kay Asher, sana lumaki siyang healthy, matalino, tsaka sumusunod sa magulang. Tapos stay healthy lang, tsaka enjoy life. Tsaka kung anong gusto mo in the future, support ka lang namin ni Daddy. I love you!
Cause it's long overdue. Tear up the script, this is it. Cause it's all up to you. Because tomorrow will show up on time. It's gonna follow the night of your life. You know tomorrow.
Okay. Wish ko sana lumaki ka ng mabuti, mabait sa magulang mo, sabi ni mami mo. Tapos may magalang sa Diyos at kapag mahal sa magulang, sana maging bright kang bata. Maging maganda yung future ng baby namin. Gagawin namin siya lahat para sa baby. Love you!
There's no debating, it feels so right. So hold on tight. We're gonna blow up because we got nothing to lose. We're gonna rise up above when we break all the rules. We're gonna rewrite the book cause it's long overdue.
Kapag may gusto ka, i-go mo lang. Love ka namin ni Daddy. Dito kami lagi para i-support ka. We love you.
Okay, last wish na lang.
Sige.
1, 2, 3.
Begins when you say tomorrow is on its way. So let's live it up today. Today, let's live it up. Let's live it up today. Let's live it up today. Because tomorrow will show up on time. It's gonna follow the night of your life. You know tomorrow begins when you say tomorrow is on its way.
Sana nag-enjoy kayo and ayun, pakabukay pagkain sa ata eh. Nagsigay ko ba? Meron po kayo gugulo pa kain pa kayo dyan. Ingat din sa pag-uwi.
Begins when you say